Alright guys, so we're going to be unboxing these sneakers right here. Some people will call these the hottest sneakers on the market right now. We literally cannot keep these in store.
No.
I saw something online. These might have the highest rise in resale value from what they started off to now what they are.
Especially the color, the fuchsia, what was it, the purples and the greens?
Yeah, the fuchsia
Yeah,
is what they call it, I think. Crazy. Let's unbox these right here. Not the fuchsia, not the green, but two solid colors.
So these are personals.
How to get a couple personals.
Yeah, no, I feel it. But we do need them in store though. So if you guys, any size, any color, we'll buy them all. We'll buy them all.
The packaging is really dope too.
Oh, for sure.
All right, couple right here. Boom!
Damn!
So to me, there's something about the CPFM Air Force Ones that have a little bit more like structure and like.
Oh, I mean, these don't even compare to the regular GR ones that sit on the site. But,
oh no,
man, the black pair do not give me black Air Force One vibes.
They don't. I don't know. Friendlier. You know what I mean?
The
white
fabric
font
is softer.
Yeah. The left pair is fire because it has the font right here on the inside as well. But yeah, when it comes to a resole sneaker right now, these are fetching around $300 to $350, but it is the other colorways that are really climbing up there. I kind of foresee the green ones hitting that 600 mark. They are going for around $300 to $400 right now. So
I'll say right now is a good time to buy, but we definitely need some more in our store. So.
Yes, sir. So if you guys have any for sale, any size, any condition, hit up tribute.shop on Instagram, or you can email us right here, and we'll buy them up at market price. And yeah, these are definitely. Let me try them on right. Which
one is better, white or black?
I think the black one's kind of unique because it does showcase the font a little bit better.
Yeah, no, I feel it. These remind me obviously of the up-tempos. They kind of got the up-tempo air vibes to them.
All right. And these look good when they are laced for some reason.
How do these compare to just the regular Air Forces? Like, do you get, because you know, when I wear the Certified Lover Boys, I definitely don't compare them to the regular Forces. With these ones, I feel like so much better.
Talk to me right now, man. There's just something about these that do not give me a regular Air Force One vibe. Even the structure of the sneaker, I feel like, is a little bit thicker and I don't know, like stiffer in a way.
In my opinion, just feel, you could tell it's like more genuine leather versus the regular Forces, just kind of almost like plasticky. So
yeah. All right, guys. The CPFM Air Force Ones. If you guys are looking for a dope sneaker right now, definitely check these out. And if you guys are selling them, hit up Tribute.
We'll buy them. All right, you guys, just picked up Chipotle for the mall. In a rush, not gonna lie, hungry at the same time. I feel a little guilty, man. I had no time. I just took the whole thing, man.
You took the whole bottle?
Took the whole exclusive Chipotle Tabasco sauce.
I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I'd be thinking about that because it takes a while to put it out.
And to be honest, the last 3 times I've been to Chipotle, they didn't have them.
Oh,
so
and it's because of guys like you.
I mean, it's not like I might just buy a brand new one and return it. But right now, I just had to just take one for the office, man. It's brand new, sealed.
You know what? I support that. I support it. Shout out to Chipotle. We give them a lot of business.
For sure. And man, look here.
You got? What is this? A little confessional?
I confiscated all of the candy in my house.
This guy has been on it. Oh my, calm down.
And I'm leaving it at the office. Whoever wants it.
You guys don't know how much candy this guy eats, and he's been literally bringing it to the office because he's trying to change his ways.
I'm trying to change my ways, man. So I'm leaving at the office. Whoever.
Hey, we calling this a little confessional, the office confessional.
Look at man, I'm sugar free, man. I'm sugar free from now on, man. So you got some good stuff, man. You got some little.
Hey, the devil not in you no more, man. Bro, how much money have you spent on candy?
Bro, too much.
And
man.
you buy it at the airport before our flights. It's crazy, but I like it, man. I support it.
I'm trying to.
Hey, let us know if you guys want a 7-day water cleanse. We've been thinking about doing that.
Vlog it. Like each person vlogs their perspective of how their experience was with 10 or 7 days. 7
days, only water. We're trying to convince Johnny, but his ass is like, "Are you kidding me? I can't even go 7 hours, seven minutes."
For real. Johnny tried to sweat and just be like, just start.
Come on, for the salt. All right. Proud of you, man. Definitely. We'll keep it safe here at the office. You know, a lot of people come through here, so they'll eat it. But yeah, man. Let us know if you guys want the 7-day water cleanse, and we might have to try this thing.
Yeah, that water fast is crazy.
Water fast. Oh no, it's not even a cleanse. It's a fast.
Well, it's a cleanse basically for your body, but.
I got a lot of toxins.
I gotta. From Vegas, we gotta cleanse all that out, man.
All right, guys. So the game just started. Huge shout out to Gabe. Huge shout out to Daniel. They put on this basketball tournament. There you go. Shout out Gabe. So Tribute is playing Bullies. We lost to them actually last tournament. They've actually won twice in a row, so they're from the Bay. They're super good.
Why aren't you in the game though?
So this tournament they did a 5 foot and up rule.
Oh, okay.
And then they measured me the other day, and it just didn't work out. So, anyways, I'm here now. I'm playing, assistant coach right now, giving you guys the commentary. And good pass, Mark. Tan had me bring 3 different pairs of black shorts. 1, 2, 3. He made sure 3, and he decides to wear his pants that he came with. He said, "Yo, I forgot my shorts." This guy, man. Get back! Get back! Get back! Get back! Hold on, my show. Get back! Get back! Get back! Get back! Good.
The zone is a little soft.
Yeah.
And it starts with the 2 guys up top. You guys got cut off the guys that penetrated. I think we could find
get to the
Mike
basket.
down there
Anybody.
a little more. He has number 10 on him, the light skin dude. There's no way he could bully him. Come on. Let's go. The man the ball too. Okay, come on. Let's go. 2 on 3.
1, 2, 3.
Tribute. Keep it. Get back. Get a stop.
Here. Especially on the zone. Hi, Gabe.
How you
Nice to
doing?
see you. I'm tired, Gabe. I'm
Doing good
38
out
years
there.
old.
Hey! Get back!
Hey, when you just be knocking over people like a bowling ball.
When you gonna get back in? Soon?
Oh, second half. They don't need me right now. Tan's got it on lock. He got his pants on.
Right.
He's not
Oh,
even
true.
trying.
You're not even trying.
He's not even trying. He just doesn't even break a sweat.
All right, guys. So we just came from the tournament. Here we are now at an anime convention. You know, we're doing a little bit of R&D for Street Market Supply and learning about the audience and everything. No, I'm just playing. Apparently, this convention is connected to a sneakery event as well. So we're gonna try to meet up the guys. Let's see where they're at. If you guys didn't know, Gabe behind the camera used to tell me he had a little fetish for a little anime chick. So I know you're going crazy right now, bro.
You weren't supposed to.
Are you going crazy? Oh yeah. It's all good, Gabe. Richie, what up? What up to the whole family? What up to the family? Shout out to Rafi.
You too. Welcome back to the channel here at Rafi Collects.
Shout out to the family, man. Brought the whole squad.
We're good,
All right,
dude.
man. You too, man.
Later. We'll talk later.
Yeah.
Oh, watch out! They're doing a photo shoot.
Gabe, stop. So Gabe wanted to stop. He said, "Hey, wait. They're doing a photo shoot." All right, guys. So we walked through the Anime Expo. Now we are at the Sneaker Expo. Let's go. Hey, what's good?
What's good?
We got the boys over here. What's good, man? What's up, dog? Come on, man.
Let's go.
What do we got?
We're down to a few shoes. We've sold,
This whole table was full this morning.
we have sold, I can't even keep count. We have sold so many shoes. We made trades.
Wasn't this all full?
It was all full. We sold, how many new jeans shirts? 5 new jeans.
yeah,
We
something
sold
came up.
Legends tees. We sold tapestry jackets.
go.
It's been good vibes. Good vibes.
Good vibes?
Good vibes.
Chill.
We just did a trade for these. Size 15.
Jeez.
Got them for $300.
No way.
$300, it's a steal. Market's at like 4, so.
How'd you make that still happen?
He's really wanting to get him gone. He wanted to go buy something at the anime side. I was like, I'll give you 300 cash, man. And we ended up flipping this. We didn't have a coin, so we flipped this on the ground. We vlogged it. It's funny. It's funny.
Damn, so a homie over there was telling Brandon he sold his entire table, profited $800 for the day. So it kind of goes to show you being here, your time. So it's a weird market right now. I'm not gonna lie, when it comes to sneakers, you guys let me know. You guys like a lot of analytics when it comes to sneakers. Should we talk about it a little bit more? You know what I mean? It is pretty fun on our end, like researching how the market is, but I don't want to bash the event. The Gatorade joints. We're talking about these. They're actually not that bad in person. Less chunky.
Can you do 100 on the 5?
Yeah.
I'll take the 5. We got our first deal done.
Always with the good people at Trout Market,
Cat
man.
Market, always coming through.
Always coming through, man.
You want chips? You want chips?
man. That's customer service right there. Trad Market, man. Check them out. CTG.creations. Man, a lot of people are really excited about these. The details are crazy.
People are calling this shoe of the year already, which is pretty crazy.
This part right here, kind of like the push heads, the old SBs. What is the collab?
It's a brand FL.
FL.
Yeah. Remember that they've
So
done
the other dunks are insanely
thousands of
expensive.
dollars. To be honest, I don't know a whole bunch about the brand, but I know people really love it.
They're nice.
They're nice.
What are these worth?
I have this at around 3.5. I'm kind of high on them, and then I have this at 2.5.
Guys, 3.5 million, 2.5 million.
1,000.
I know. All right, so these are grails.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, so they have the jersey.
Yeah.
So they cut off a little
Sometimes
piece,
it's
right?
game used, sometimes it's not game used. Oh shit, that's fire.
All right, we gotta get back. All right, man. Good meeting you, man.
Yeah.
Appreciate you.
How much are the slides? What size is it? 7. 120. Would you do 100? You can bid on 110. I want to be at 100. I'll just be at 100.
Slides for the ladies.
That's all we're buying today. Yeezy slides, somewhere around the corner. Just want to be prepared, that's all.
We just ordered some soft shell crab. We got some crawfish right now. Let me know if you guys are into crawfish, or do you guys like shrimp, crab? You let
I'm
me
a
know.
shrimp guy all the way, man.
A lot of people don't like crawfish.
Look,
Let me
man,
show
big
you.
guys, we don't got time. If I'm gonna have to work that much, I want a lot of meat. I know it's a little delicate, a little whatever, but
I actually find it fun
Oh, do you?
eating crawfish.
Okay.
Yeah. But I'm just shout out to me, I'm eating a gyoza with tartar sauce. It's fire.
this is a soft shell crab, bro. This is a soft shell crab.
It's like a mini lobster tail right there, you know?
I'm a little lazy type. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. This is how I get down.
Eat the whole thing?
Not good. Yeah. That's called texture, baby. Texture.
Oh yeah, shrimp. You don't peel the shrimp. You just eat the shell, man.
Cause it got all the sauces trapped in
You
there.
just ate the head?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah.